Alright. Let's see if this looks any better. And let's see if VS Code looks better. Alright, that looks good enough. I don't know how to make the colors look a little bit better. It looks very dull on my phone. Strange, but oh well. Let me just edit this name. Oh. All right. All right. So this is the AST basically. In future iterations of this project, the AST will be kind of like recursive. Like if I have an if statement, there's gonna have to be like nested ASTs inside of it. But yeah, let's just focus on this for now. We can add all the cool stuff later. Okay. What I'm going to be doing is traversing the actual AST. So I think what I should do is let's try for node in AST. I don't understand. Why that's not working. Oh, I do a little bit too much Python. Alright. For node in AST, what we want to do is we actually want to evaluate that node. So let's make a function. You know what, forget this. Let's put this over here. Let's keep the parser over there. So really, we have all these different rules. We could see here, like I have an assignment. I just have like loads of assignments. Where's the example file that I'm running this on? Oh, here. I have an assignment, dot product, inverse. So basically, what we can do is, let's move this back in here. We're gonna match it on. We're gonna match one of the nodes. What is this? What does this do? There we go. Perfect. match node. So now if the node is an integer, what is this? Where's my parser row? I haven't touched this in so long, I don't remember most of it. But I have all these rules here, different AST nodes. I don't really want to just let them type an integer in. That's not really going to do anything for me. So I'll remove the integers, the floats. I'm going to keep the operations, the terms. No, they can't just put in a term. Keep the assignment, keep the identifier because that's how we're going to print it. And then we're going to do the matrix. Yeah, they can't put in a matrix either. So I'm going to remove the integers and the floats, the terms, and the matrix. And so then for all of these, we can just invalid line. Here I'll actually because these all have like an argument, right? Integer, that, terms, and matrix. So bad line, invalid line. Let's print that bad boy. Bad line. Whoa. Let's go back, just make sure I did that right. Yeah, bad term, bad line. Panic. Yeah, it's a panic that I want to do. So if we have let's start with the assignments because this is going to be like the most important part. So what I really need is to use the hash map from Rust. What is this? Alright, fine. There we go. Now, I haven't used the hash map in Rust in about 7 months, and I don't want to look anything up in case I like dox myself. But I think I can wing it. Oh, I see we have some messages in the chat. Hello there, everyone. So, don't need that. There. Let's start with the assignments first. Let's move it up to the top. And we're going to initialize our env with env equals hash map new. Can I do that? It's going to be from a string. Wait, how do I do the types on the hash map? It's going to be a hash map from type string to type should probably take like an enum of the types. Let me copy this. To a, let's call it a lala type. There we go. Okay, we can do pub enum lala type here. This is gonna be, now these are like the actual types. It can be an integer. Of type I64. It can be a double precision float. Wait. Whoa. Hold on a second. What I want to do? When I've got these types, these words don't really mean anything. Is there anything else that I could do here? Let's see what happens here. Let's just see what happens. Let's do the assignment like this. env dot insert. Let's just look up real quick. Rust hash map stuff. Here, just go to the documentation. Oh no, wait, Rust book. They have stuff on the hash maps here. Hash maps. Yeah, so you do some inserts. Okay. I know that the matrix for our Lala type is a vector of F64s. But what else can we have in here? Matrix, integer, and whatever, we'll just put a double, whatever, F64. And if anything happens, I'll fix it later. env.insert, the identifier, and now we need to evaluate the AST node. Eval AST node on the expression, because this is an AST node, right? Because here it's the identifier and then the expression of the matrix. And so you know what, actually let's just turn this into a function, eval assignment. Eval assignment with the node and the environment. And I should do this as a reference. Expected fat arrow. Oh, geez, I forgot about that. There we go. Done. And let's define this quickly. Fn eval assignment. The node is an AND box AST node, and the env is a reference to a hash map from strings to a Lala type. And this is gonna return, shouldn't really return anything. I'll figure that part out later. What's going on here? Oh, I wanted this to be a reference. There we go. So when I've got these Lala types in the environment hash map, what do I want to return from this eval assignment? I guess just like a I'll just do the same thing as here. There we go. And I can do some error propagation here, pass it back up to the main function. I'm not going to do that right now. Right now, what we're going to focus on is actually evaluating the assignment. So, instead of passing the whole node, what I'm actually going to do is pass the identifier and the expression. And so then here I can have the expression and then the ident, which is of type and string. Alright, looking good. So now we can add to our environment and we can say env dot, oh wait, no, we have to match on the expression. So if it's a monadic or dyadic thing, we've got stuff to do. See, but if it's just like a matrix, oh, if it's a matrix or like some kind of scalar, there we go, everything's all coming together. Yes, cruisy life. I am back. I never left. That's a lie. I did leave. But I'm back. Okay. If we just have this. Here, let's just put this scalar thing here and I can just have it fall through to the next pattern. And I can just be like, ooh, the identifier with the, oh no, I can't do that. Oh man. I thought I could just do it with like one line, but since the Lala types have different things for integers and doubles, I can't do that. Alright, whatever. env.insert the identifier and integer scalar. Whoa. What does this mean? Hold on. Hold on. I gotta plug my computer in. This thing is getting hot for some reason. Rapid OK. What's that gonna do for me? What? No, that's stupid. What is it saying? Mismatch types. Oh, jeez. Hold on a second. forgot how to do this. I think I have nightly. Let's try that. There we go. There we go. What is that gonna do? What is the quick fix gonna do? Hold on. Ah. Stop. I just want to click the quick fix button, dude. Okay. What does this even mean? Lala. What? It doesn't even do anything. Alright, whatever. Let me just try dereferencing it. Shoot. Can I do that? Consider dereferencing the boxed value. Does that work? Alright. Gosh, bro, I haven't used Rust in like a month. And this is what happens. I don't know how to code anymore. Font type option. Alright, that's fine. I think if I do this, then we're good. What is this now? What is this saying to me? Oh, okay. Whatever. That. Alright, fine. I-32. We're good? No? Oh my gosh. What do you mean, toString? What is happening? Why do I need to do that? It is a string. Oh, that's an and string. Alright, fine. Okay, I don't care about the mismatch types for right now. Is that it? Is that really it? What's wrong here? Why is this giving me an issue with, oh, it's, alright, like if I were to comment this out, yeah, it gives me a say, okay, that's fine. So this will return none if everything is okay, or it will return, the new value, right? Is that what they say? The value is updated and the old value is returned. That's just so annoying. I have never heard of that. I don't know. I mean, I don't really want it to do anything, though. Should I just, like, make it do nothing? Fine, I'll make it do nothing. Match this with whatever, do nothing. Does that work? Try wrapping it in an okay. What? Wrapping okay. Oh, because that's a result. I'm stupid. Oopsie. This is found to be of type result. That's fine. Why do I need to? I literally want it that way. Whoa. Just leave me alone. That's fine. And then I can say, okay, match this with okay. Right? Are we good? We are good. We're so good. We're so back, in fact. Just put a comma there, comma there, comma there. And then this AST node matrix is supposed to have like a vector of vectors, right? Yeah. Okay, we're good. Why is this giving me an issue? Oh, I have to dereference this one twice too. Okay. We're good. What's wrong here? Arguments to this function are incorrect. Blah, blah, blah. Expected and string, found string. Fine. Fine. And then, well, no, I don't want to keep doing all this stuff with the strings. I'll keep them all as references. Here, boom, boom. Is everything okay now? And then this is just a single dereference. Oh my gosh, what is happening? What is going on? I don't even remember how to use this anyhow stuff. There, I'll just do that. Oh my gosh. Let me open up my other project. Was it bdrop? If I have an anyhow error, what do I do? Error, anyhow, that way. Ew, why is the coloring different on this? Oh, the Rust Analyzer is not on yet. Alright. Error, anyhow. Done. What is wrong with this now? Cannot borrow env as mutable as it is behind a reference. env is an and reference, so the data it refers to cannot be borrowed as mutable. Oh my gosh. Maybe now I can do the dot into maybe. Hold on a second. Oh, box into enter the value. Is this? I don't know how to. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm losing my mind right now. I haven't used Rust in like, oh my gosh, I don't even know how long. Here, if we do this with this box thing, I understand it's like a pointer, but for some reason it's not letting me just dereference the pointer. If I could just, can I wrap this whole thing in an unsafe block and just dereference the entire thing? Or like dereference it whenever I want? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Do I have the nightly version? I don't even know what I'm looking for. Can I do this? No. Let's see, deref. Alright, what does this deref thing do? Oh, deref. Node.deref. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. And then if I remove this, I don't want that expression there. Right? I don't really want that like that either. Alright, so now those stay as references inside of it. But now what about this? This expression has type of that. Oh my gosh. And then I can just dereference that like that, right? No! Cannot borrow env as mutable. Oh, I have to say and mut, right? What is happening? Cannot borrow star env as mutable as it is behind a ampersand reference. Oh, am I supposed to say this? Forgot about that. Oh my gosh. Most of this hasn't even been me working. It's literally been me trying to figure out how Rust works because I forgot how it works. If this was in C++, I would have been done by now, and the entire language would be finished by now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think I'm just gonna test maybe like an assignment in the example file. So let's just make sure the assignment works. Nothing else will be tested. Nothing else needs to be tested. We do the eval assignment. We assign something to an integer. It goes in the thing. And then for the identifier, which has some variable name, we can just get it from the thingy. And let's see, .get. Alright. So now, this is pretty easy. We're just gonna print ln env.get var. Now what is the issue? What are you talking about? I have to implement a display? Oh wait, I think I can do that. Second? No? Maybe that? No. What is this saying to me? No. What is this saying with this match arm? Nothing. It doesn't even do anything. Alright. I have to implement the display trait for my own enum right now. Let's figure out how to do that. Can I just do that? Okay, fine, unwrap. I implemented a display trait a couple months ago. I don't know where. Oh no, it's definitely in the library. Here we go. Let's just do that. Do this. Do I have to import something for this? Of course. Okay. We're good. Don't need any of this stuff. Let's comment this out for now. Here we go. This is so easy. This is so easy. Integer I, matrix M, double D. Let's just do the matrix one first. We close this. So what we have to do is write to the file, just that, okay. Write to f I.toString maybe. Is it a weird resolution? I know the display ratio is 16:10, I think. It's the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 9. I'll put it in a comment. Hold on. I don't really know. I've been having some issues with the resolution while I'm recording. Yeah, I don't really know. I have to change it on my OBS studio thing. F.toString, I guess. That should be fine. What is this? Why is this giving me an error? Oh yeah, I mean, I don't really do anything crazy on my laptop while it's on my legs, but right now, right, I'm recording. I have VS Code open, 2 Firefox windows, and a terminal, and it's like kind of burning my fingertips. But yeah, I've always had a problem with overheating with laptops though. Like I had an HP last year. That was the laptop I had before this, and it would just overheat, and the chassis was made out of aluminum or something, so it would get scorching. But yeah, I get some problems with overheating with this, unfortunately. I had a MacBook Pro from work over a year ago, and that one was pretty nice. I liked my MacBook Pro, but I had to give it back when I left. I never had any overheating on that, or any anything like that. Yeah. Yeah, it was honestly a toss-up between this and like one of the new MacBooks that came out last year. I really wanted this though. Once Asahi Linux is like, usable maybe, but then a couple of years, usable for everyday things, I would definitely switch. Alright, what is going on here? But I like this laptop. It's very light because it's made out of carbon fiber. What is this? I'm just gonna be spamming quick fix on everything. Hear that? Let's go. Why could I do this here? Oh wait, do I have to like unwrap the right? Oh yeah, okay. Then I can do the same thing down below. The Mac Air 15 looks good. I haven't kept up with Mac stuff I missed the latest Mac conference or whatever they call it. Apple summer conference or whatever. Yeah, if I like couldn't use this laptop for whatever reason, I would only go with a Mac as an alternative. Anything else would be a significant downgrade. So, this should work now. I got my assignment, I got my other thing. So, let me, do I have, let me try that. Let x equal 1, and let me just say 1. Is that valid syntax? I don't even remember my syntax. And I made the language. Yeah. Alright. This is just going to test the assignment. Oh. Let's try it. Let's go. Let's go. We add stuff to a hash map and we take it back out. That's what I like to see. Hello, Pradamesh. I am making a programming language right now. It's a small programming language just for fun. For really like matrix, quick matrix operations. So like dot product, inverse, stuff like that. That's pretty much it. Now, what I'm gonna do now is I have all of my matrix operations programmed from my linear algebra project. What language is it based on? It's not really based on anything. I guess I have inspiration from languages like APL, which are pretty crazy to look at, but my inspiration is really from the pest parser. If we go here and we read the book, they have like this, where is it? Oh, Python, oh, it's coded in C, yeah. So mine is written in Rust. Sorry, I misunderstood. I'm writing it in Rust, just for fun. I could have written this thing in Python, C++, Java. I could have written it in C. I would be done by now. I'm having some trouble with Rust. But, you know, I like to use Rust. It's fun to challenge myself a little bit. Am I still using Tokyo? That was for a different project. I never actually started using it. I kind of just want to do the networking stuff from scratch on my own. But I haven't touched that project in a couple months. I started working over the summer at an internship and didn't really have time to work on my projects. I think you should try Rust. I really like Rust. It's very different, right? One of my professors, a year ago actually, said, you know, if you learn a new programming language, but it's easy to learn, the only thing different is the syntax. It's not really like you're learning a new language. I think about that a lot, because with Rust, like the syntax is kind of different, but the way you do things is also pretty different. So it is a paradigm shift. You know, if you go from C to C++, and you're using like the bare minimum C++, like not really the crazy template metaprogramming type stuff, there isn't really much difference. Java, Python, right? You could do some weird stuff in Python, but you're not really learning anything new, in my opinion. If you go from any of those languages to Rust, you really have to think about how your arguments are being passed, where they're stored, stuff like that. Oh yeah, let me get my stuff out. Where's my... I'm just going to copy this whole thing into my other file here, my library. Oh, why do I have 9 errors? What the hell? Ooh, that's why. I have to remove my SIMD stuff. I don't know. It's 3 o'clock right now. I'm kind of tired. I think I'm going to undo whatever I just did. I know I've got the environment stuff working. Oh, here, you know what I can do? I'll make my print function for the matrix. But not test it, because that would require me to add that to the assignment stuff. So where's my print function for the matrix? Oh, but wait. Alright, today we did some of the back end of the interpreter. I'll work on some of the rest maybe next weekend, right? I think what I'm going to be doing now is, instead of recording and editing videos since I'm back in school, what I'll be doing is actually just live streaming some stuff that people can come back and watch whenever they want. But yeah, that's it for now. Might be back next weekend. Who knows? The world is full of possibilities. Yeah. Goodbye, guys. Thank you.